Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to record the tutorial related to Google Classroom in which we shall learn how to create a classroom and how to place assignment, and these tasks are done by the teacher. So for this purpose you people must have a Gmail ID, and the real URL that will be going to follow is classroom.google.com. It will give you a sign in option. If you are not signed in already, select the particular ID or input that ID, enter your password, click next. Wait for a while, and now you have entered into the classroom portal. Let the processing done. An introductory screen appears on your screen. Click on continue. So you can see that I have entered into my classroom section, but there is no class available. So to create a new class, I shall click on this plus sign. If you click on plus sign, you can see two options: number one, join class, and number two, create class. Create class means the person who is going to administrate the options related to classroom, and join class means the participants or the students who will be invited or joined that platform. So I need to create a classroom. So for this purpose I shall click on create class. Click on I have read and understand the above notice, and I am not using classroom at a school university with the students. Click on continue. Class name is mandatory, so I do write it here: computer science class 8, section is O3, and subject and room are optional. There is no need to use these three options: section, subject and room. These three options are optional. So click on create. Now let the class be created. Internet seems to be slow a little bit. Now my class has been created with computer science, with the title computer science 803. A class code is available, you can see it here. A class code XTOXJ3C is available here. You can click on it and it will appear on your screen. Zoom. So that is the code which must be shared with the people who want to join into your section. Okay class, now we are going for the assignment. For this purpose you shall click on classwork, click on create. There are few options: assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse post. So to place assignment I shall click on assignment, that I'm going to give some homework to the students. Title I do write it as binary and hexadecimal number system. Instructions, that is also optional, but I can write it here: attempt activity 1.1 and 2 in your copies. That is, then if you want to attach a file, then there is the option of add. You can attach a file through Google Drive. You can also attach a link of a file like a video or any other material that is available online, and you cannot download it into your computer system. If a file is already placed or is already stored in your computer system, then the file option will be used, and if you want to share a video, then the YouTube option will be used. So whatever is your requirement, kindly follow the actual link related to it. Now comes to the right side of the screen for students of computer science, that is already selected all students. If you want to share it with all students, then all students option will be selected. Otherwise, when multiple people will join this class, then they will, or this assignment will be shared to a particular or multiple students at a time. Right now it can be shared with all students. That is the default option, and there is no student in this section in current stage. Okay, now the second option is points. Right now it is considered as a 100 marks assignment, so you can enter marks according to requirement, or you can place unmarked. Unmarked is no marking will be done on this assignment. And if you want to place marks according to your choice, then like I want to give this activity 1.1 for 10 marks and activity 1.2 for 10 marks, so it will be 20 marks in total, so I can write 20 here in the point. So this assignment is now consisted for the 20 marks. Now the due, if you want to place a due date, so click on due date, select the particular date. Today is 19th or 20th. Sorry, the 19th means around after 24 hours, after 2 hours, date will be changed. So if you want to place a date, due date, I do place here 20th July 2022. And if you want to include the time also, it's 23:59. 23:59 means it's 11:59 p.m. So I do place here 10:0. It means it's 10 a.m. Now the date and time is fixed. Now the option of topic is placed here. Create topic. I do write here the chapter name of the computer science book, binary and hexadecimal number system. And now click on this assign button. Now one assignment has been developed and included in class 803. Now how to create another class? Click on classes. It shows only one class right now, computer science 803. Again click on plus sign, click on create class. Again tick the option I have read and understand the above notice. Click on continue. Class name now computer science 9th section 02. Subject room are optional. Click on create. And now another class has been generated, and right now I am into the class. It has a separate code. It has a different code that will be shared with the students of class 902 only. Cross it. Again go back to classes, create on plus sign, create class, red, continue. I'm also conducting computer science of class 9 fourth optional. So computer science 9 section fourth optional. Click on create. Now I am in computer science class 9 fourth optional. It has a new code YWOANS2. It will be shared with the students of computer science fourth optional only. So I hope you people have understood how to create a class and how to place assignment into a class clearly. So I'm ending this video here, going to upload another tutorial to check the assignment, and uh, a tutorial for the students how to join a class on Google Classroom. Since it is a product of Google, then Google applications are also available for your Android phones or tablets. You can also use them. Okay everyone, take care. Allah Hafiz.